Good morning and welcome to Okamoto. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the CHiQ machine. That's going to be presented today by 𝗟𝗶𝗲, a service engineer at Okamoto. Take it away, Kirk.
Thank you very much, Danielle. Yes, as she said, welcome, welcome. Today we will be demonstrating the CHiQ double column surface grinder. Here at Okamoto, it's about cutting down your time, increasing your productivity. This machine is going to do that for you, and I will go into detail. We use the double column construction for this machine for its gain rigidity in the Z-axis movement. A lot of our accuracy is going to depend on this cross rail. On this cross rail, we have developed a mechanical adjustment mechanism, allowing us to make adjustment as needed rather than having the machine sent out or rebuilt. This is going to give you a very high degree of cross to flatness across the entire width. It has been laser checked to 30 millionths of an inch. The vertical, as well as our cross axis, are both AC servo motor driven. The table running on a longitudinal axis is hydraulic. Over here, Okamoto designed its very own iQ software. This is going to radically improve your data entry as well as your programming. In simpler terms, this is user-friendly. There is no text on the screen, only icons, making it effortlessly and easy to navigate. A key feature I'd like to point out on this machine is prior to entering your speeds and your infeeds, it will let you know its cycle time. This is helpful for two reasons. One, you know exactly how long till you have to return and take your part off, but two, it allows you to tweak your settings, find out what speeds, find out what infeed rate to help that. Over here, what I'm pointing at is our SBS wheel balancing system. This is a must for your large wheels. This is going to keep your wheel balanced in process rather than having to take the wheels yourself. With just a touch of the button, and that is it. The iQ has the option, which I must stress is very important, is our BIX system. The BIX system encompasses our high productivity coolant supply unit, as well as our 3M Cubitron 2 wheel. Now what is this going to do for you? This is going to allow you to take a whopping 4 thou infeed cut, opposed to the 1.5 thou. Now how do we do this? We have designed a product that's going to aerate the coolant much better going towards the wheel and keep those pores cleaner, thus allowing you to take a more aggressive cut. When it comes to the workspace of this machine, it is a 40 by 80. That is plenty of room to put a very large mold or many parts on that chuck at once. The passing width of the column head is 41 inches. In the rear of a machine, we have our state-of-the-art coolant tank. You're not able to see it at the moment, but we're talking dual filtration, magnetic separating, as well as paper filter. This is also temperature controlled, which is very important. Next to it, once again behind the machine, we have our oil chiller. That is temperature controlled. Set your desired temperature, and that is it. When it comes to our wheel, we are using a 20 by 4 by 8 inch, backed by our 30 horsepower spindle motor. It's going to allow you to take on any task. Here at Okamoto, we understand that we produce quality products, and we're talking long-term consistency. You're going to be able to keep the tolerances you need for a very, very long time. Keep in mind, we have 4 locations throughout the U.S. If you guys have any questions, concerns, like to talk about some of your grinding practices, please let us know. Test cuts, blueprints, many of us are here and we want to help you. Let us know how we can help you. And thank you.